Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube. Give a medium length style a try. Keep ends uneven, which will help to keep your hair looking full of volume and bounce. Interestingly, wavy hair was judged more attractive than straight hair. If you want to know about more haircuts and hairstyles and you can use to make your personality more charming, then subscribe my YouTube channel Hairology and stay blessed. Thank you for watching my videos.